Hey guys, welcome to our Let's Play Kizomba School Jazz 2. So now we will see one thing is very particular in our dance, it's the marca. So the marca for me, it's the step I will do to keep going to dance right after I will stop. So when I'm here, very easy, remember the basic one and the basic two. Now I begin with my left, she begin with the right. And we will do, it's for me, it will be left, right, left. And for her,
right, left, right.
Together. And 5, 6, marca, here we go. Right, left, right. For her, left, right, left. For me. And 1, 2, marca, here we go. 1, 2, marca, here we go. And 1, 2, and stop. Like this, you can also go forward and go back. 5, 6, here we go. And 1, 2, stop. And 1, 2, stop. In the back. 1, 2, stop. And 1, 2, stop. Together. And 5, 6, here we go. And 1, 2, marca. And 1, 2, marca in the front. 1, 2, marca in the back. 1, 2, marca. Okay? On the same exercise, you can do 5 times. And 5 times, it will be for also our saida. The saidas, we will do it after. So 5, 6, go on 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, marca. 1, 2, 3, 4, marca. And 5, 6, and basic 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, marca. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Very good. Then you can do it on the side like this. 5, 6, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, marca. 1, 2, 3, 4, marca. Now we will also see we call it, we turn left. So when I'm here, I will turn. On this position, my first will go inside a diagonal. So I will do 1, I will turn on 2 here, and I will do my marca on 3. So together without connection, when I'm here, I go on the side on 1, yes, I look this direction, then on 2, and we do marca together on 3. Okay? So 5, 6, turn, here we go, and 1, 2, marca, here we go, 1, 2, marca, here we go, 1, 2, marca, here we go, and 1, 2, marca, basic 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here we go, 1, 2, marca, in the front, 1, 2, marca, 1, 2, marca, return, 1, 2, stop, 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, return, 1, 2, basic 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we turn, here we go, 1, 2, stop, with the music, and 5, 6, basic 1, and basic 2, 5, 6, 3 times on the front, 1, 2, stop, 1, 2, basic 2, here we go, and 1, 2, stop, 1, 2, basic 2, turn, and 5, 6, turn, here we go, 1, 2, stop, here we go, 1, 2, stop, here we go, 1, 2, 5 times, here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop, basic 2, and 5, 6, and turn, here we go, 1, 2, and stop. Ouais, c'est bon. So guys, you have to work on it. Let's go for the next class. Be connect.
It's music.
Yo, Jojo, let's play Kizomba.